Hello guys, welcome and welcome back again to our channel All Things With Us, and welcome back again for another amazing video. So it's been a while since I did a voiceover, but all has been good. We've been busy making stuff, but we are back again. Anyway, if you're new here, feel much welcome. If you're already a subscriber, thank you for always coming back, watching our videos, liking them, commenting on them, and sharing them. So in today's video, I'm going to be making a bed from scratch. That is a client's order, but unfortunately I didn't record from the start whereby I was making the frame, but I'm just going to be showing you and explaining to you bits by bits how I made this bed. So here, as you can see on the screen, I'm just showing you the buttons that I'm going to be using during the tufting, because there are some parts that I'm going to be doing tufting. As you can see on the screen, I've already prepared the parts, but if you want to know how I usually do these stuffs, I have uploaded a lot of videos on how to do tufting, how to make the frame, so you can just visit our channel and watch videos about these beds. So here, as you can see, this is how the design looks like. I've already put the form where it's supposed to be, and then this is how the frame looks. And then that part that I've left there is where I'm going to be putting mirrors, because the client wanted this bed to have mirrors on the edges. So just keep watching the video, because I'll be showing you how I'm going to be making them. And then this design had a lot of steps, a lot of processes, so kindly watch the video till the end so that you can fully understand all the steps and materials and tools that I've used during this transformation. If you like this kind of content, make sure to like this video, comment on it, tell me what to think about it, and most of all, share with your friends and family so that they get to see how these beds are made, or get an idea, one or two ideas on how to do these stuffs. Thank you so much. Enjoy the video.